The importance of self-education.
Education.
Education. I would say first that
A young
a young man should carefully consider that
what
is natural
bent
bent or
inclination
inclination
dahan-dahan
inclination is he should take stock of himself and
ascertain
if possible that what he is best adapted for, and then he should
endeavor ulit
to get into that vocation
with
as
few
changes as possible.
having entered upon
it, then let him
pursue
the work in hand with diligence and
determination dahan-dahan kasi determination to
know it
thoroughly
which can only be done by close and
enthusiastic
application of the
powers
at his command. He should
strive
to master the
details
and
put
into the work and energy
directed
by store common sense so as to make his services of
value lakasan mo wherever
he should be
alert,
alert and
ready,
to
seize
seize opportunities when they present
themselves,
themselves that trouble
the trouble
with
with
most
young
men is that they do not learn
anything to thoroughly ulit
thoroughly and are have to do the work committed to them in a
careless
careless manner, forgetting that what is worth doing at all is worth doing
well
they
magpo-post ka well
they become
mere drones
and
rely
upon
upon
chance
chance
to bring them
success
success. The
business
world is full of just
such
such
young
men
content
with
simply putting
in their time somehow and drawing their
salaries
they make no effort whatever to
increase
their
efficiency
and thereby to enhance their
own
as well as their
employers
interest. There are others who want to do what they are not fitted for and who waste their
lives
in that
what
may
may
be
called
called misfit
Misfit.
misfit,
Occupations.
occupation,
Occupations.
for,
For
better,
better.
we, would,
Good. Carpenter.
carpenter, of,
Or
or, mechanic,
mechanic. Of
an,
any
any, kind, then,
done.
done, for,
Poor. Business.
business, or, professional,
Ulit nga. Professional. Show.
man, next to the selection of an occupation is
The
the should
choice.
of
Companions.
companion to every young man. I would say sit at the start to cultivate the
Acquaintance.
of should
Those
only should
whose
whose
contact
and influence will
Kindle.
He
High.
high
Ulit.
purposes as I consider the
Building
up of a sterling character of one of the
fundamental
principles of true
success.
The young man who possesses
Ulit. Possesses
a
conscience.
conscience that cannot broke the
Slightest suspicion
of wrongdoing and who
insist
on
steadfast. Ulit.
steadfast and
Undeviating
truthfulness,
sturdy honesty,
and strict
devotion
to
duty
under all
circumstances.
Has a fortune to begin with.
Hmm.
Ayan na,